Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the Kameleon Font Manager tool. As you can see here, it's a simple layout where you can find all your Google fonts and custom fonts. Now we haven't added any fonts yet. Click Google Font to get the list of all the fonts that you can choose from. You can use the filter to search for a specific font name. Let's add this one. Now it's added to my library and I can use it in my website. Now I will use the new font as the main font of my WordPress site. As you can see, the font type has changed. Now I will add a new font and use it in the header menu. As you can see here, the menu font has been changed. Now let's upload a custom font and see how it works. Just click Upload New Font button and make sure you upload the right font extension and you are ready to go. Please make sure you only upload and enable the font that you are willing to use. If you enable or upload many fonts, it can affect your website loading speed. And thank you for watching.